Resealing of control unit and VVPAT after counting. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guideline, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcome: at the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain the procedure of resealing of control units and VVPATs after counting. The resealing has to be done in such a manner that the result of voting recorded in the control unit is not obliterated and the unit retains the memory of such result. Battery or power pack shall be removed from the control units. After removing power packs from the control unit, whether the result has been retrieved from it or not, they will be put back inside the carrying case. Now seal the carrying case once again using address tag showing the particulars of the election with the seal of the returning officer. Attach firmly to the handle of the carrying case an address tag containing these details: particulars of the election, name of the constituency, number and name of polling station, serial number of the control unit, date of poll and the date of counting. Printed paper slips shall be taken out from the VVPATs and sealed in black envelope, one envelope for one VVT. Black envelope shall be sealed using red wax with the bilingual secret seal of the Commission provided to the returning officer. Particulars to be written on the envelope are shown on the screen. Power pack, if any, shall also be removed from the VVPATs. The VVPAT shall be kept in the warehouse, assembly constituency or assembly segment wise. Thermal paper roll and address tags of the paper roll compartment shall not be removed from the VVPAT. VVPAT should not be kept in the same strong room where EVMs are being stored. Entire process to be videographed. Returning officer shall nominate a responsible officer in charge for the supervision of sealing process. Candidates or their agents or the authorized representatives shall be invited with proper acknowledgement to remain present during the sealing process. They can also put their seal. All the envelopes of a particular assembly constituency or assembly segment must be kept in a separate trunk. The trunk must be sealed using red wax with the bilingual secret seal of the Commission provided to the returning officer. Particulars to be written on the trunk are shown on the screen. The said trunk shall be kept with all the statutory documents relating to that election, shall be retained for a period of 1 year subject to the directions given by the Commission and shall thereafter be destroyed. If any election petition is pending, the same shall be preserved till the final disposal of the election petition. The resealed voting machine shall be kept in a safe custody of the DO and shall not be opened or inspected or be produced before any person or authority except under the orders of a competent court. Removal of paper rolls and address tags after completion of 10 days period after result declaration. If no request for checking and verification of bird memory or microcontroller in EVM is received from the eligible candidates, thermal paper rolls and address tag shall be removed from the VVPAT. If any request for checking and verification of bird memory or microcontroller in EVM is received from the eligible candidates, thermal paper rolls and address tag shall be removed from the VVPAT only after completion of checking and verification of bird memory and microcontroller. In this educational video, we have learned about resealing of control unit and VVPAT after the election. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.